Good morning, everybody. This is Sai Alexander. We're doing the cryptocurrency market analysis live, and basically, we're just gonna go over a couple of things as far as like crypto and looking at the market as well. I just want to go over the market and see, what's going on in the market, which is messing up the market, market manipulation. So let's just hop right into it. So with YOXO, it's still slightly under the entry point that we previous had. So that'd be a good thing to get into. Reason why is because the price point is lower. So like I said, always say you want to get in low and sell high. Um, this is a patience game. So if you don't understand that, you gotta find something else to feed this. The point of crypto or stock market period is patience. You have to be patient to be able to make money in crypto or Ethereum or cryptocurrency. This isn't options where as though you're putting it in right after right. It's not options where as though you're putting it in and then once you hit a price point you take it out. This is not what I teach here. Not to that period yet. So when I get to that period, definitely I'll start making that type of content. However, what I do is trend analysis. So what I'm doing is I'm following the trend and then I'm taking profit as I see profit. So with XYO, that's what we're going to do. We're going to get in lower like it is right now, and then we're going to take profit. Um, and then we're just going to go to the next one right now. Ethos, we've been running this one up. As you see, we got in at $1.05, $1.06 if we round it off, and it's excuse me, starting to be bullish. So what that means is we want to ride it up, and then we also want to make sure our stop loss is on, so that if it starts to drop, we can take profit. So now with Ethos, we want to see where is it going to stop at. As you see previously, it stopped at a dollar and 16 cents. However, we also seen it to where went up to a $1.95. So what you want to do is you want to say, all right, do I want to take profit now or do I want to take profit later? Now, if you take profit now, you can always retest and bring it down, and then what you made, put back into it. Now, with the option of doing it later, you might ride the market, and this is why it's important that you have another asset class or a job that's feeding this. Why? Because you figure if you have a average job, you're making between 2,000 and 3,000 a month. If you put that 3,000 inside of cryptocurrency a month and it blows up, then you most likely tripling or 10 times in your money, and now you a millionaire or whatever. Millionaire, 3,000, 3,000, 30,000, 6,000, 60,000. That's how I look at it. And you were patient over time to make that. So now you have your job plus 60,000 in crypto that you can take out and pay whatever you need to pay or invest into something that can make you more money. For example, in the knowledge in crypto, $4,000 for a course. You all right now? I understand how to make money in crypto. Now I can leave my job, or I can take $13,000 off of my job, and pay all my bills off for the year. So now I'm focused. I ain't got no worries, and I can focus on cryptocurrency and learning how to implement it. So now we're just going to go to Bitcoin, 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 Bitcoin. Our current entry is below both our current and our building position. So what that means is I got in too high and I got in too high again. So right now, what we're waiting for is it to jump off of this trend line, bounce up, and then we take profit at 41, 42,193 and 60 26 cents. Crypto, crypto, crypto. Comp. As you see, I don't think I'm into this anymore. Let me see. As you see, I'm going to El Toro to see what's going on in the market. So this is a coin that this is a platform that I use to trade. Um, so I'm not in comp anymore, but we'll go over it to see what's going on with it. Right now, my entry point was too high, so we can always, let me take that back. So now we can take that entry that's down there right now and get back into it. Why? Because we're going to make our money back, right? We want to make our money back and get this crypto. Gotta have fun with this. Not that it'd be a job. So we got in at $50.84. And it's always important to track your information. Track your information and get in there. So now, what are we doing? What are we doing? We're retracing, retesting, and seeing if it's going to bounce off the trend line, which is already doing. So now we need to come up with a time to take profit. So is it back in the day? So you want to look left. So we'll take it up to that point. $71, take profit. We're going to set the take profit. You might say, "Oh, it's only $3. You're not making no money." Well, you got to put more money into it to make real money. Like, so right now we're just making little money because we ain't got that lot of that, and we ain't got a lot of money. But once we get a lot of money from all of the income streams, then we'll start to put more money in, and you'll see a difference. You got to crawl before you walk. So the point of this is to build confidence in yourself. Why? Because when you start to build confidence, then you start to make money, and then you risk more, but you also get to learn more as well. That's what's important. Learning. Ain't all about the buck. It's about learning so that you can, whenever this happens, you can just make more money. So we're doing our stop loss for $45.75. 75, 75. And then we're done. So now we're gonna look at some CNBC, see what's going on in the market. I'm watching it here, but we can also look at it. So retail sales jumped in January, smashing expectation despite inflation rate. So you want to come over here and you want to see what's going on. Roblox stock is up 24% after fourth quarter earnings beat eliminates. So the point of this is you want to come over here and see what's going on because this information affects the market, both cryptocurrency and stock market. So Nike New Balance stock is probably going to go up because of this. New Balance. The New Balance brand, the new brand will be called Clutch Athletics, and the company says its mission is to provide all athletes with high quality training apparel to empower them their sports journey. Paul said his goal. So I'm looking at the reality of it. So Foot Locker, Boston, CEO, whatever they are associated with, their stock probably went up. Um, Clutch. Let's see what Clutch is. This is the name of the sportswear. So this is a sportswear channel. So most likely, if LeBron James decides to go public, this stock will go up. So this is how you find other stocks and cryptos to get into. So I just wanted to share a little bit about the stock market, and show you that it's a different it's a different world, but it can it's enticing because you're learning so much, and then you're seeing how it manipulates over time. You see how, all right, well, if they do this, it might go up. However, if they get some bad noise, it's going to make the stock crash, and then for you, it's a way to get into the market, inside of the market. So like this one right now, they're talking about Coinbase. It's in my ear. So they're talking about their latest meeting and how it can affect the market. So those are the things that you want to look for. What's going on within the platforms? What's going on within the market, within the company, because that affects the market. So with that being said, guys, I hope you found this valuable. If you did, like, comment, subscribe to get $30 free. Go to the link in the bio for El Toro and get your brokerage account, as well as for Coinbase. If you're interested in getting Coinbase, when you deposit $100, they give you $10 in Bitcoin. And lastly, you want to get your trading view chart. Why? Because if you're looking to trade, you need to get that course, so that that course, get that chart so that you'll be able to chart and trade with effectiveness. So with that being said, guys, I see you at the top.